Are you an Indian student dreaming of studying in the UK but worried about the high cost? What if I told you that there are fully funded scholarships that can make your dream a reality?
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Shiksha Study Abroad channel. I am Megha Bisht, your study abroad buddy, and in this video I will reveal top external scholarships that can help you study in the UK without breaking the bank. Stick around till the end because I have a bonus tip that most students miss out on. First up, we have the prestigious Rhodes Scholarship. This is one of the oldest and most respected international scholarship programs. The Rhodes Trust in Oxford offers full funding for outstanding Indian students who want to pursue a postgraduate degree at the University of Oxford. Eligibility: you should be academically exceptional and hold a first-class undergraduate degree. Funding: the Rhodes Scholarship covers Oxford University course fees as well as providing an annual stipend. For the 23-24 academic year, the stipend was £19,092 per annum. Deadline: the application usually opens in June and closes by July end. Make sure to check the official website for latest details. Next, we have the Great Scholarships. This initiative, funded by the UK government in partnership with UK universities, offers scholarships to students from India who are pursuing a postgraduate degree. Eligibility: you should have an offer letter from a participating UK university and demonstrate academic excellence. Funding: £10,000 towards tuition fees. Deadline: the deadlines vary by university. Check with the one you are applying to. The Erasmus Mundus program is a fantastic opportunity, especially for postgraduate students. The program, managed by the European Commission, has participants from across Europe and the UK. With this scholarship, you can avail of scholarships for joint master's and doctoral programs. Eligibility: Indian students applying for Erasmus Mundus joint programs in any participating UK university. Funding: full tuition, travel expenses and living costs for up to 2 years. Deadline: applications typically open in October and close by January. Let's talk about the Chevening Scholarships, a fantastic option for Indian students who want to pursue a one-year postgraduate degree in the UK. These scholarships are funded by the UK government and focus on academic merit and leadership potential. Eligibility: you need to have a recognized UG degree and have at least 2 years of work experience. You need to apply to 3 eligible UK university courses and receive an unconditional offer from at least one of them. Funding: full tuition fees, living allowance and airfare are covered. Deadline: usually applications close in November each year. Last but not the least, we have the Commonwealth Scholarship and Fellowship. Funded by the UK government, these scholarships are aimed at students from developing Commonwealth countries, including India. Indian students who want to get a master's degree or a PhD in the UK can apply for this scholarship. Eligibility: Indian students with excellent academic records and a commitment to contributing to India's development. Funding: full tuition, living stipend and travel cost. Deadline: applications generally close in December. Here are some additional UK scholarships that Indian students can apply for. Now here's the secret sauce. Most students apply for the scholarship but don't focus on these 3 critical factors. Statement of purpose: your story and career vision matter. Strong recommendation letters: choose recommenders wisely. Early applications: scholarships are competitive, so apply as soon as possible. So there you have it, amazing scholarships for Indian students who want to study in the UK. Each of these scholarships not only covers tuition and living expenses but also provides you opportunities to gain global exposure and enhance your academic and professional journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more scholarship tips and study abroad advice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. तो करिए अपनी ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।